Let us talk about particles. There are four different types of particles: isotopes, isobars, isotones, and isoelectronics. First of all, what are isotopes? Isotopes are the elements which having the same atomic number but different atomic masses. These are usually atoms of the same element. Hydrogen has three different types of isotopes in which they all having the same atomic number but their mass number are different, like 1, 2, and 3. So they have Z atomic number is same but their mass number E is different. Now, what are the isobars? Isobars are the atoms of a different element. They are totally opposite to that of isotopes, in which the atoms of a different element having the same atomic masses but different atomic number. For example, they have Z atomic number is different and atomic mass E is same. Like argon and cobalt, they both have their atomic number different but their mass number 4040, both are same. Now comes isotones. What are the isotones? The isotones are the atoms of a different elements which have the same number of neutrons. As you know, there is a formula to find the number of neutrons, which is E minus Z. Minus means we have to minus atomic number from mass number. Oxygen mass number is 16 and atomic number Z is 8. If we minus 16 from 8, so number of neutron is 8. That's why oxygen have 8 number of neutrons. Similarly, in nitrogen, we have to find out the number of neutrons. We will minus its mass number with atomic number. So when we minus Z minus A, here it comes 15 minus 7 comes 8. So number of neutrons is also 8. Both nitrogen and oxygen have the same number of neutrons. That is why they are called isotones. Now, what are the isoelectronics? Isoelectronics are those species which have the same number of electrons. For example, neon. Neon has a number of electrons 10 and fluorine has an electrons 9. But do you know, when minus sign comes, it's for gaining electron. Whenever negative sign comes on any species, it means they have gained electron. So fluorine minus means that they have 10 electrons. Similarly, if we take sodium, which has atomic number or number of electrons 11. But when sodium comes in this stage, it means sodium has lost 1 electron. So when sodium lost 1 electron, a positive signs come on it. Now sodium has 10 electrons. So isoelectronics are those species which have a number of electrons same. So fluorine, when minus signs comes, means the gain electron, so the number of electrons change to 10, which is same like that of neon.